Hi everybody, hope you are doing good guys. So today I'm gonna share with you how to create a mortgage campaign for their awareness. So let's dive into the screen. Before diving into the screen, I am Shifat from BizSmashers. BizSmashers is a 360-degree marketing solution company. So today I'm gonna share with you how to create a Facebook ad campaign for a mortgage company awareness. So let's dive into the screen. So for in this awareness we need to generate more calls, so we are using a lead ad for this. So let's continue, and we can name this campaign of trusted call camp November. So let's scroll down. We put the budget for $10 per day, and we'll use ad set budget in this. And also, and of we are use nothing special at categories. So before guys, we are using a bunch of categories for the employment hiring campaigns, so we need nothing in this special category. So the conversion location is call, and we put the budget in $10 per day. Also we are using the broad location. No, not the broad location. We're using some specific location like Newport Beach, around the 25 kilometers. It is too high. Alright, so let's scroll down. We are using everything broad because Meta is super update now, so new lead ads. We are using our existing post, so the select post, and let's go into the Instagram and select the video and continue. So definitely we must need to put the number here, so let's copy the number from our team. Yeah, alright, let me check this. Yeah, I hope everything alright right now. And yeah, we're using the country code is America. Everything alright now. We can just publish the campaign, don't need anything, blah blah blah. So we are using another ad for story. So let's see in the next video.